Big news in the mutual fund space. Today, 17 September 2025, Quant Mutual Fund is launching India's very first equity long-short specialized investment fund. This is a completely new category that lets you play both sides of the market. Let's break it down. Here's the idea. Most mutual funds only buy stocks and hope they go up. But this fund is different. It will invest 80 to 100% of its money in equities, picking strong companies through fundamental research. At the same time, it can take unhedged short positions up to 25% using futures and options. That means if the fund managers believe a stock is overpriced or the market may fall, they can actually profit from that too. To maintain stability, up to 15% of the portfolio can be parked in debt and money market instruments. So the fund always has liquidity for redemptions and opportunities. And here's the interesting part. The fund can even hedge 100% of its equity exposure if things look risky. Beyond this, SEBI also allows some extra tools: securities lending up to 20%, overseas investments up to 20%, and even REITs and InvITs also to 20%. So the strategy is quite broad and versatile. If you're considering investing, here are the numbers you need to know. Minimum investment is 10 lakh rupees. Top-up investments or minimum additional switch in starts from 10,000 rupees. And yes, you have daily redemption starting from just 1,000 rupees following the minimum investment threshold. So, the equity long-short funds outperform markets, not just when markets rise, but also when they fall, by using a mix of long and short strategies. This is the first ever SIF launch in India, and it's a big step towards bringing hedge fund style strategies into mutual funds. But remember, it's a complex product, so always consult your advisor or distributor before investing. If you want to consult about SIFs, you can write to us at sifinsights@gmail.com or leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel so you can also join our webinars on this topic.